Hi Eddie, let's go through your swing quickly. All right, so let's start off with your head position. You can see the line is obviously just slightly below the top of your head. Okay, sorry, it's slightly angled incorrectly, but let's not be too finicky. Anyway, okay, so let's see what happens. That's fine. That slight drift to the left is fine. Let's go back. See that? That's fine. You getting your weight back nicely there. So I want to just try to get a line on your body axis. That's a good angle. That means at that body axis, can you see how it's slightly slanted to the left? That's going to create hitting up on the ball. Good takeaway, I like that. Your left hand is strong, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter, you look a little bit like a Brooks Koepka at address. Okay, do you see your face? Still opening slightly too much, not as bad as what it used to be. You could maybe delay that just a tad. It's still opening a little bit too early, but it's fine. It's probably because of your strong left hand. Going back, it's fine. You're really loading your right side there. Okay, I like what I see there. The only problem is I think you can get a little bit wider. In other words, the club can be a little bit more, whoopsie, let me just do that again. The club can be a little bit more parallel, maybe sort of like at that angle there, if you know what I'm trying to say. Because and then also what you'll notice is when you see your I'm trying to point at, like, get a nice arrow going at your that elbow there, not your left elbow, your right elbow. It's almost slightly visible on your takeaway. I know, I mean, like halfway through your swing, which I think you can get a little bit wider if you want to hit a bit further. Okay, you see how that right elbow is visible there? I don't think you're getting wide enough. Okay, the other thing I want to point out is let me see if I can delete that line there. Oopsie. Okay, sorry, remember what I told you about? There's a specific angle that creates distance in a golf swing, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. That angle of your club there, right? And this is honestly the first time I've looked at your swing, of this swing specifically. Coming down, what's very important is coming down. Do you see when your left arm is parallel to the ground? Let me just go back a little bit, like there. Okay, see where the club is there? That position there. Okay, the distance between that and those two lines, that angle, the wider that angle becomes, in other words, the lag of the club head coming down, the club shaft coming down, creates the distance. You can check out the longest hitters on tour. That's why I keep saying try to get wider and wider. If you look at this other this line here, I wish I could point at it. So in other words, the line where your shaft was as you took it back when your left arm was parallel, and then I said, yeah, you can get a little bit wider. You see how flat it is on the left hand side? There's like a flatter curve there on the left hand side, right on the middle left hand side curve. On your takeaway, I was recommending try to get even wider than that. That will create more of a lag and more distance. So that's the first thing I can see. Let me see what your impact position looks like. That's decent, eh? If I was impacting like that, I'd be quite happy. You're compressing the ball very nicely there. You see how your hands are? That is very, very decent. very, very decent, and you're definitely heading up on it. Want to see now? Oh, you're heading up. I can see how you're heading up. If you go onto a GC2 at the Pro Shop, you're definitely heading up on the ball. Good swing. I like it.